to make money online but don't have any skills or experience? Don't worry, I've got you covered. These 5 powerful AI tools are helping thousands of people earn $100 or more every single day. And the best part? Most of them are completely free to use. Tool number 1, Durable.co, the 30-second website builder. First up, we've got Durable.co, a game changer if you want to offer web design services without any coding. Durable is an AI website builder that creates a professional-looking website in under 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. Here's how people are making money. They charge clients $100 to $300 for simple websites using Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook Marketplace, and build them with Durable in just minutes. Tool number 2, Copy.ai, your AI copywriting assistant. Coming in next is Copy.ai, an AI that writes emails, product descriptions, ads, and blog posts. If you've ever struggled with writing, this tool will blow your mind. People are earning by offering freelance writing services on Fiverr or creating marketing content for local businesses. You can also use it to grow your own email list or write better social media. Tool number 3, Pictory. Turn blog posts into videos. Video content is king, and Pictory lets you turn any blog post or text into a full video in minutes. No editing skills needed. Just paste your content, choose visuals, and done. This is how creators are making money, converting blogs into YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. You can also offer this as a service to bloggers or content marketers. Bonus tip: use it to build a faceless YouTube channel. Tool number 4, Looka, AI logo and brand kit designer. Greater than number 4 is Looka, a super clean AI logo maker that also creates full branding kits. You don't need to know graphic design. Just enter a business name and get stunning designs in seconds. Make $50 to $200 per logo by selling brand kits on Fiverr or reaching out to small businesses on Instagram. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Last but not least, Opus Clip. This AI tool automatically takes long YouTube videos and slices them into high-quality shorts with captions and zoom effects. It even finds the most viral moments in the video all by itself. Creators are using it to repurpose content and earn with YouTube Shorts. You can also offer clipping services to podcasters, coaches, and content creators for $10 to $50 per video. All of these tools are beginner-friendly, high-paying, and most importantly, time-saving. You don't need experience, you just need execution. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and comment AI Money if you want part 2 with 5 more tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and digital income strategies.